M0FXB. So just a bit more on this ALINCO DJ-MD5. Now this is where I recommend you get the links from, because they work for the programming software and firmware, things like that. And I haven't done a firmware or anything, but anyway, just thought I'd go through the basic sort of settings. Look at my previous video for how to program the programming software. So the one I thought I'd go through is first just how to put in your DMR ID. So go down to radio ID list here, put in your radio ID, DMR number you need to register, and then call sign. Then the other one is optional settings. So quite a big menu selection here, as you can see, and you can select where it boots up. Look, so display mode, you can put channel frequency, and then analog repeaters. This is what's in the code plug already, so you can select which one you want it to show, like so. Digital there if you want, or let's say hotspot, main channel A or B. Sub-channel mode, you could put that on so the sub-channel does show. Power on interface, default interface, or you can custom, or you can add a picture. Look, add a picture if you want. Power on password, it's up to you. Alert tones there. Vox, don't really use that. ST, never use that. Display. So look, you can tell it how bright you want it when it turns on. You know, different things there. Menu exit time, when you push the menu button. Time display, you could turn that on. Last corner display, that's worth having on. Display call sign. And look, call sign display color, red, white. Sorry about the background noise, that's my puppy. Call sign base, display channel number, actual number, sequence, GPS, all your GPS type stuff here, FM, there you go, VFO or memory, and the channel, there's no channels in this, so VFO, FM monitor, GPS ranging, I've never used that, VFO scan, range, power save on or off, auto repeater, key function. So this is what the actual buttons on the radio do. So look, PF 1, 2, 1 and 2. I haven't got a radio, but there'll be buttons you can program for long and short. And look, you've got a selection here of different things you can choose for each key. And you've got the short press and the long press. And look, even the long key time. Knob lock, keyboard lock, auto repeater stuff, other functions, squelch level, DigiFun, so group call, big long list here, DigiMonitor, DigiRemote, Wakehead, record, so there must be a recording function, volume audio, so when it boots up, mic level, indoors and outdoors, and that stuff like that. So there you go. Hopefully gives you an idea. What else we got here? You've got your channels. Let's click OK there. Channels that we've created, zones, scan list, FM, it's all here. Basic information, what the radio is, what it covers. Look, VHF, UHF, it's running version 1.0 firmware, which is upgradable. Normally, if it's the same as the Anytone, for firmware upgrade, once you've got the file, you just go to firmware upgrade here, under, that was tools, wasn't it? Firmware upgrade under tools, and you come up with a little window. You select that file and click upgrade. Like I said, I haven't got the radio. Boot image, you can tell it to, you can select boot image, select an image, and the radio will boot from the image that you select. You know, which is quite, let's say that there you are, that could be a boot image. Let's have a look. Import and export CSV files, You can import and export. Let's go import here. And look, you can import and export radio ID list, scan list, zones, all sorts, all independently. Or you could, if we go back to this page, you could look for a pre-made code plug. I'm not sure if there's one here. CPS. No, but I did see a pre code plug just in Google. There's loads there. Just put it into Google, and you could upload a whole code plug, and then just tweak the code plug. If I can find a link, I'll put it in, and that way you would literally just open it. You just go File, and you would just open that code plug, and it will populate all this stuff for you. And then you're just going to have to dig through the channels and see if you can change one for your hotspot and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope this helps. I haven't got this radio. I'm just literally looking at it for Andrew, my friend. So 7.3, all the best.